Ultimate mountain getaways, luxurious resorts and romantic cabins. The world is a vast and wondrous place, teeming with life in its every corner. But even amongst the bustling cities and crowded beaches, there exist pockets of tranquility, hidden havens where one can escape the relentless pace of modern life. Did you know there are over 100 hidden mountain retreats around the world just waiting to be discovered? These secluded sanctuaries, nestled amidst towering peaks and verdant valleys, offer a chance to reconnect with nature and rediscover a sense of peace. Imagine waking to the gentle whisper of wind through ancient forests, the air crisp and clean, the only sounds the chirping of unseen birds. Have you ever dreamed of finding your own secret getaway nestled in breathtaking natural beauty? Join us now as we journey to some of the most extraordinary mountain retreats on Earth, each one a testament to the remarkable diversity and splendor of our planet. From cozy log cabins to luxurious chalets, these hidden gems offer something for everyone seeking solace and adventure in the embrace of nature's grandeur. High in the Sierra Nevada mountains of California, where granite peaks pierce the clouds and giant sequoia trees stand as ancient sentinels, lies a haven of tranquility. The Pines Lodge, a secluded log cabin, nestles amongst a dense forest of towering pines. Crafted from sturdy logs, the cabin exudes a rustic charm, its warm wooden interior a welcome respite. A crackling fire roars in the stone fireplace, casting a warm glow upon the comfortable furnishings. Step outside onto the expansive deck and you'll be greeted by breathtaking vistas of the Sierra Nevada. Jagged peaks, their slopes cloaked in a tapestry of pine, fir and cedar, rise majestically in the distance. As dusk settles, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink and purple, retreat to the cabin's deck. Here, beneath a canopy of stars, you'll witness a celestial display unlike any you've seen before. The Pines Lodge, a sanctuary for the soul, offers a chance to escape and reconnect with nature. A tapestry of emerald hues unfolds as you approach Misty Ridge Retreat, an elegant lodge perched atop a secluded ridgeline in the Smoky Mountains National Park. Here in this land of ancient mountains, shrouded in ethereal mists, time seems to slow its relentless pace. The lodge itself, with its grand stone fireplace and floor-to-ceiling windows framing breathtaking views, exudes an air of quiet sophistication. Each morning awakened to a symphony of birdsong as the rising sun sets the mist-filled valleys below ablaze with color. Step out onto the expansive veranda and breathe in the crisp mountain air, fragrant with the scent of pine and damp earth. Before you, a panorama of forested peaks and valleys draped in swirling mists stretches as far as the eye can see. Join a guided nature walk led by experienced naturalists who'll share their knowledge of the region's rich flora and fauna. Traverse well-maintained trails that wind through lush forests, home to black bears, white-tailed deer, and a dazzling array of bird life. Discover hidden waterfalls cascading over moss-covered rocks, their gentle roar a soothing balm for the soul. Learn about the medicinal properties of native plants and marvel at the intricate beauty of wildflowers that carpet the forest floor. As evening descends, gather around the crackling fire in the lodge's cozy lounge. Share stories of your day's adventures with fellow guests, or simply relax with a good book, lulled by the warmth of the fire and the mesmerizing views. Misty Ridge Retreat offers more than just a luxurious escape. It provides a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the natural wonders of the Smoky Mountains. Here, you'll reconnect with the rhythms of nature, rediscover a sense of peace, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Cascade Range, Oregon. Deep within the Cascade Range of Oregon, where emerald forests meet snow-capped peaks, lies a hidden gem known as Whispering Falls Hideaway. This enchanting A-frame cottage nestled beside a cascading waterfall offers a sanctuary for those seeking solace and tranquility in the heart of nature. The sound of rushing water greets you as you approach the cottage, its wooden exterior blending seamlessly with the surrounding forest. Step inside, and you'll be enveloped in warmth and comfort. Sunlight streams through the large windows, illuminating the cozy interior, furnished with rustic charm. A loft bedroom, accessible by a handcrafted wooden ladder, provides breathtaking views of the waterfall. Imagine waking each morning to the soothing sounds of cascading water, the sunlight filtering through the trees, painting the forest floor in dappled light. The cottage's namesake, Whispering Falls, plunges over 100 feet down a moss-covered cliff face. Its roar a constant presence, yet somehow calming and serene. Spend your days exploring the surrounding trails, breathing in the fresh mountain air and marveling at the beauty of the old-growth forest. The nearby river, fed by the cascading falls, offers world-class fly fishing. Cast your line into the crystal-clear water and feel the thrill of the catch as a rainbow trout rises to take your bait. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the forest floor, prepare a delicious meal in the cottage's fully equipped kitchen. Enjoy your dinner on the deck, the sound of the waterfall providing a soothing soundtrack. As darkness falls, the stars emerge, twinkling like diamonds scattered across the velvet sky. The Whispering Falls Hideaway, a place where nature's symphony plays on repeat, offers a chance to escape the everyday and reconnect with your inner peace. Rocky Mountains, Colorado. Imagine waking above the world, the sun rising over a sea of peaks, casting long shadows across the rugged landscape of the Colorado Rockies. This is the reality awaiting you at Granite Peak Lookout, a historic fire lookout tower transformed into a truly unique mountain retreat. Perched atop a granite summit, this once functional tower now offers 360-degree views that will take your breath away. Ascend the sturdy wooden stairs, each step bringing you closer to panoramic vistas of snow-capped peaks, alpine meadows, and dense forests. Step inside and you'll find a cozy and surprisingly spacious interior. The original lookout windows, now enlarged, frame picture-perfect views from every angle. Modern amenities blend seamlessly with the tower's rustic charm, ensuring a comfortable and unforgettable stay. Spend your days exploring the network of mountain biking trails that crisscross the surrounding wilderness. Feel the wind in your hair as you navigate challenging climbs and exhilarating descents, rewarded with ever-changing views of the majestic Rockies. For the adventurous, rock climbing opportunities abound, with granite cliffs beckoning experienced climbers to test their skills. After a day of exhilarating activity, return to the tranquility of the lookout tower. Prepare a delicious meal in the well-equipped kitchen and enjoy dinner as the sun sets, painting the sky in a kaleidoscope of colors. As darkness falls, the stars emerge, shining with an intensity rarely seen from lower elevations. The Milky Way arches overhead, a celestial tapestry visible in all its glory. Granite Peak Lookout, a place where solitude meets adventure, offers an experience unlike any other. Deep within the heart of the Colorado Rockies lies a hidden gem accessible only by those willing to embrace the elements. The Aspen Chalet, a luxurious retreat on a remote mountainside, offers an unparalleled winter wonderland experience. As snowflakes fall, transforming the landscape, the journey to the chalet begins. Don your snowshoes and trek through a silent world of snow-laden aspen and pine trees. The chalet with its steeply pitched roof peeks out from between the trees, its warm glow beckoning you. Step inside and you'll be enveloped in cozy luxury. A roaring fire crackles in the grand stone fireplace, casting a warm glow upon the plush furnishings. Large windows frame the ever-changing beauty of the winter landscape. Unwind in the chalet's private sauna, the heat melting away any lingering chill. Step outside and you'll find yourself in a winter paradise. Miles of groomed cross-country ski trails beckon, winding through snow-dusted forests and frozen meadows. Feel the crunch of fresh powder beneath your skis as you glide effortlessly through this silent world. For the truly adventurous, heli-skiing offers an unforgettable experience. Soar above the breathtaking landscape and carve your own path down untouched powder slopes. As evening descends, retreat to the warmth of the chalet. Enjoy a gourmet meal prepared by your private chef, the perfect ending to a day filled with adventure. The Aspen Chalet promises an experience that will stay with you long after the snow has melted. From the towering peaks of the Sierra Nevada to the mist-shrouded valleys of the Smoky Mountains, these hidden mountain retreats offer a glimpse into a world of tranquility and adventure. Each destination, with its own unique charm and character, promises an escape from the ordinary, a chance to reconnect with nature and rediscover a sense of wonder. So, which of these secluded mountain getaways would you most like to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Perhaps you have a favorite hidden retreat of your own, a place where you go to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. We'd love to hear about it. Share your stories and photos with us in the comments, and let's inspire each other to explore the world's most beautiful and secluded destinations. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and insider guides to the world's best kept secrets. Until next time, keep exploring.